Second sum, find matrix inversion by partition method. Here the given matrix A 2 1 1 3 2 3 1 4 9. This is for 3 cross 3 matrix. You can partition like this. You can partition by like this. This is for B, and this is for C, and this is for D, and this is for E. Now to find out the A inverse X, Y, Z and B value, substitute and corresponding the positions. Okay, first we have to find out the B value. For the formula B equal to D minus E B inverse C minus the result 1 inverse. First we have to find out the B inverse. For that B equal to 2 1 3 2. First we have to find out the modulus of B. For the cross multiplication these two. This is for the cross multiplication, this is for 4 and this is for minus 3. Now result equal to 1. This is for B, modulus equal to 1 result. Next, to find out the B inverse formula, 1 divided by modulus of B and cofactor of B matrix, and then inverse 1 divided by B, 1 divided by 1, and cofactor of B matrix. This is for 2 cross 2 matrix. We can interchange these two. Here 2 and this is also 2, and we can change the sign. This is for minus 3 and this is for minus 1. Now to simplify this one, now B inverse equal to 2 minus 1 minus 3 and 2. This is the result for B inverse. Okay. Next, this value substitute here. Now B equal to D value 9 minus E value 1 4. Next, B inverse value 2 minus 1 minus 3 and 2. After that C value 1 3 1 3. Inverse we can find out later. 1 minus 1 4. First row 1 and column 1, 2 into 1 2 and minus 1 into 3 minus 3, and second row column 1 minus 3 and this is for plus 6. Now to simplify this one, 4 minus 1 4, and this is for minus 1 and 3 plus 3, minus 1 plus 1 3 equal to 9 minus row 1 column 1, row 1 column 1, this is for minus 1 into 1 minus 1, and then this is for 4 into 3 plus 12. Now result we can write 9. This is for minus plus 11. We can write 9 minus 11. Now equal to minus 2. Now to find out the inverse for the 1 divided by 2. V equal to D minus E B inverse C and word inverse. This is for minus 2 inverse equal to minus 1 divided by 2. Now V result equal to 1 divided by 2. Next to find out y equal to minus V inverse CV. Here minus V inverse value 2, minus 1, minus 3, 2, and C value 1, 3, and V value minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, we can take this 1 divided by 2 here, and also we can multiply minus sign here. Minus 2, 1, this is for minus plus 3, this is for minus 2, 1 divided by 3, and this is for minus 1 divided by 2. We can take this one here, minus 1 divided by 2, and minus 2, 1, 3, minus 2, and this is for 1, 3. Here minus 1 divided by 2, row 1, column 1, this is for minus 2, this is for plus 3, and this is for 3, and this is for minus 6. You can simplify this one, minus 1 divided by 2, and this is for 3, minus 2 plus 3, 1, and this is for minus 3. You can multiply the sign inside. We can multiply the sign inside. This y equal to 1 divided by 2 within bracket minus 1 and plus 3. This is the result of y. Okay. Next, to find out z equal to minus b e b inverse. E b inverse. Here the b value, here minus, and already one more minus, it will change into plus 1 divided by 2, and e value 1, 4, and b inverse value 2, minus 1, minus 3, and 2. Okay, and here 1 divided by 2. Now row 1, column 1. Row 1, column 1 we can multiply 2, and this is for minus 12. Next, row 1, column 2, this is for minus 1 and plus 8. Now to simplify this one, 1 divided by 2, and this is for minus 10, and this is for 7. This is the result of Z. Next, to find out x value, x is equal to b inverse minus b inverse c z value. B inverse value 2, minus 1, minus 3, 2, and minus b inverse value 2, minus 1, minus 3, and 2. C value 1 divided by 1, 3, and z value 1 divided by 2, and minus 10, 7. Okay. Next, equal to minus 1, minus 3, and then 2. This 1 divided by 2, we can take here minus 1 divided by 2 within bracket 2 minus 1 minus 3 2. Next one 3. After that minus 10 and 7 equal 2 minus 1 minus 3 2 minus 1 divided by 2. First row 1 column 1, this is for 2 minus 3, and row 2 column 1 minus 3, and this is for plus 6, and this is for minus 10 and 7 equal to 2 minus 1 minus 3 and 2 minus 1 divided by 2. This is for minus 1 and this is for plus 3, and this is minus 10 and this is for 7. So 2 minus 1 minus 3 and then 2. This is for minus 1 divided by 2. We can multiply this one 10, and this is for minus 7. This is for minus 30, and this is for 21. We can take the 1 by 2 common, 1 by 2 common. So we can multiply with the 2. This is for 4 minus 2, and here minus 6, and this is for 4, and minus this one 10 minus 7 minus 30 and 21. Now to simplify these two, this is for x is that equal to 1 divided by 2. Now we can subtract 4 minus 10. 4 minus 10, that result minus 6, and minus 2, this is for minus 7, minus 2, this is for plus 7. Now result 5, and this is for 6 minus 6, this is for plus 30. Now to subtract these two, result 24 plus, and then 4 minus 21 minus 17 minus 17. This is the result of x. Okay. Now formula required: A inverse equal to x, y, z and v. You have to substitute the corresponding value here. Okay. Before that, what is the value of v? V equal to minus 1 divided by 2, and z value, y value 1 divided by 2 within bracket minus 1, 3. This is for y, and z value 1 by 2, 10 minus 7, and already x value is there. Now to substitute here these values, A inverse equal to x value. Here all the 4 terms, all the 4, 1 by 2 will be common. 1 by 2 will be common. Here z value minus 10 and 7. Now to substitute the value here, v, y, z and x, all the common value 1 by 2. So we can take the common 1 by 2 within bracket. X value minus 6, 5, 24 minus 17. Okay. Next one, y value 1 by 2 already taken, minus 1, 3. Next, z value 1 by 2 already taken, minus 10 and then 7, and here only 1 by 2 taken and minus sign we have to use this minus 1. This is the result of matrix inversion by partition method. Thank you.